So here it is. Here's my Publix haul for the week, or Publix Heist. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $95.71 worth of goods, and was all said and done, they paid me $7.59. It's for the week of October 29th to November 4th. I'm going to be doing this every week, so you guys can do the deal the rest of the week. I'm trying to post it on the first day of the sale. So what we got here, we got Refresh shampoo conditioner, we got Glucerna mini treats, we got contact solution, we got spaghetti sauce, we got protein drinks, we got some Zyrtec, we got some yogurt, we got Band-Aids, Larabar, and we got, this is the kicker, you get $10 off of this when you buy $50 worth of goods. I was well over 50 this time. And so I'll be trying to do this every week. I use digital coupons, I use manufacturer coupons, I use store coupons, I use ibotta, and I use Saving Star. All the links are in the description below to print the coupon. Okay, here's everything we needed to make it happen. We got store coupon for the Zyrtec, manufacturer coupon printable for the Zyrtec. We got Refresh manufacturer, we got store Refresh. Store for the Band-Aid, manufacturer for the Band-Aid, printable sauce, printable for the drink, printable for the contact solution. Glucerna is a printable as well as a store coupon. Also use digital coupons, ibotta, and Saving Star. So, as always, subscribe right there. It's this funny looking guy, and check out some more cool stuff right here. Peace.